You hear what time we on, Duran?
Oh shit! I ain't bet. Let's get it.
He gonna need some maintenance after we handle his ass.
Oh yeah, fuck that nigga. Yeah. We gonna get on that nigga ass. You a bitch.
A few moments later.
Oh, I'm not moving because you going first, nigga. You got all that shit to say.
All that shit.
He gonna need some maintenance after we handle his ass.
Don't handle that. Ain't your name Lord Switchington?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wait.
Looks stanky over there.
Yeah, wow. I got him. Don't worry about it.
Man, okay, cool.
Yeah, okay.
We? We?
Wait, whoa,
I'm chilling.
Now, yeah, I'm chilling. I'm saying, late, like.
I got him. I bet, man. Come on, nigga. I beat your ass.
Alright, cool.
Oh shit.
Damn. Jesus.
Nigga got me.
Yeah. Yeah, deep off that nigga. Oh shit.
Alright.
Let's not play. Let's not play.